Founded in 1978, olympicsun is a company dedicated to the manufacturing of solar water heating systems for residential and commercial applications. The solar products are composed of high-quality components with high technological manufacturing, engineering, installation, and impeccable service. In that effort, knowledge is our most important product. Our trading network operates throughout Greece, Morocco, Malta, Italy, and United Arab Emirates. All the production has been certified in accordance to ISO 9001-2000.